Hey everyone, it's Lee. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you out with a common problem many users face, not receiving the verification code and dealing with the time limit issue. Don't worry, it's a quick and simple fix, so let's dive in. First off, let's address the issue of not receiving your verification code. If you're trying to log into an app like WhatsApp and not receiving your code, there's a couple of settings you should check on your phone. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off by swiping down from the top to the bottom of your screen and checking if the half moon symbol is lit up. If it is, turn it off. This mode can restrict any text messages away from your notifications, so you won't receive them. Next, go to your phone settings and check your messaging settings. Make sure iMessages is turned on and active. Toggle it off and back on to reset it if necessary. Also ensure that the Send as SMS option is on to receive text messages when iMessages is unavailable. Lastly, make sure that the Filter Unknown Senders is turned off. This setting separates any people who aren't in your contacts and may filter out messages from apps like WhatsApp. Now let's talk about dealing with the time limit. If you're having trouble resetting your verification code and it keeps pushing back the time frame, try using a Call Me option. After messing it up once, if you keep getting it wrong, the time frame will get longer, so don't waste any time. Alternatively, you can reset your phone's time to trick it into thinking that it's been 5 hours since your last attempt. Go to your phone settings, click on General, and then click on Date and Time. Turn off Automatic and adjust the time 5 hours from now. Once you do this, exit the settings and the time frame should decrease. If you're still having trouble receiving text messages, you can always use the Call Me option instead. It will call you and give you a code, so there's no waiting for a text message. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.